All right. Hi, everybody. We're going to do an opening of a vintage Magic card right here. Listen to that sound. Listen to that. So we got these from a friend for, Christmas, and we're going to open one of these up. We also have the dark, but, don't want to open that up right now. Might keep it for a while. So this is the Ice Age pack. So let's see what we have here. All right, what do we have here? We have some Goblin Snowmen. Right on. Firmaroyal.
Oh, Mox Emerald!
Heretic Talisman. Brushland. Is that okay? Is that a good card? I don't even know.
Yeah.
Brine Shaman. Incinerate. Oh man, Ice Age sucks.